Matt was in the club. And then suddenly Matt and Deb, Matt's ex-girlfriends, looking eyes at each other.
What?
And then Jane realized that, and they pretended, Matt and Jane pretended to make like
Fake scenario.
a fake scenario, which is Jane is Matt's fiancé. And then when Deborah came to them, they directly started the drama. There are so many questions that Deb asked to them because, of course, Deb doesn't believe it. Didn't believe it. And then they always encourage Deb, which is Jane already met fiancé. In the end, they believe it and said that she really sad. But in the car, Helen and David saw it, and then they want to help Matt without knowing what situation between them now.
Okay.
And then when Helen came to them, Helen directly said, which is Helen is Matt's fiancé. Of course, it made them
Confused.
And then Helen said, in the end, Matt just will choose one of them to be his bride. And that's all. Thank you.